you doing, Jennifer?
I am adding some potash to the dirt, which is what potatoes like. It almost is like a salt, like a mineral salt it seems like, but it's not. So I didn't use that much, guys, out of this. Okay, about half of a bag for that. That's pretty good. Now, I am planting a Pink Mountain version. Basically, these little spudlings have been sitting around. And although they're really small, they will still produce really nicely. Some nice potatoes. These are not sweet potatoes. These are regular, either Purple Crescent or like Majesty, but these are not sweet potatoes. But they just bud out so nicely. I was like, let's plant them because it doesn't matter if it gets cold. You can plant these kind of potatoes through the freezes, through the winter, through the fall, all that. So that's all I'm gonna do. Now my irrigation is in here. I've got the top covered, so I'm gonna plant next to my irrigation, but not. So I'm just gonna dig trenches here and lay out my potatoes. Actually, I should stop and I should plant these first because I have to have these separate. So guys, I'm sorry about that. All right, so these are a little smaller. I'm giving it not too much here, but I want these guys a little buried. Now remember, they'll come up through the dirt nicely. And they will grow like out. These are gonna make, whew, these are gonna be so cool. All right, so I'm gonna leave like a little mound. I gotta cover my irrigation. I'm gonna leave a little mound right here. Okay, so there is, these are Pink Mountain in a little mountain. Pink Mountain. Next, these. Same thing. Dig a, oops, I always forget about my irrigation. Don't pull the irrigation up. Look, a nut. These squirrels have been doing things in here. All right, my babies. I could do about probably 3. About there. Yeah. Okay. Hill and next. I think I'll go that way. It's kind of backwards, but they will find the light. Over, baby. Okay. that potato. Oh, there's from sweet potatoes from last time. Gotta watch these though, they'll take over your whole bag. You're actually doing pretty good.
You're doing great.
Mm-hmm. Have to watch out for your last year's growth. I don't know that this one will do anything, but just in case, there it is. It kind of looks like it's starting. Well, this might be the last row. Oh, there's only 2 left. 2 babies. This one seems to want to grow upside down. Okay. All right. So, that's it, guys. That's our purple potatoes. They're the little fingerlings. Okay, so these are the little crescent fingerling, purple. A lot of them, they call them also purple majesty, stuff like that. So these will be very exciting and beautiful. Oh, and we have to make sure that none of these, because we planted these last year, and although these don't look like they're going to do much, when these come up, they totally take over everything. So we have to watch it. If we see this type of potato coming up, they got to be gone. See you next time.